YouTube? What up, man? It's your boy Locked Crockett, Wavy Crockett, Braided Crockett. You know, man of many names, man. And today I'm gonna show you guys how to wash your braids and how to get them back looking somewhat new. Better than they were, man. So let's get straight into it. All right, YouTube. So what you're gonna need is a shampoo. I've been loving this right here. This hair growth is for men. It's called OK. For men, hair growth shampoo. It strengthens and cleanses and nourishing shampoo. This is what you need. We are not going to condition our hair. Conditioning will loosen our hair up. Just like when you have coils and all that, you don't want to use conditioner because it softens your hair. You know, you don't want that. So for this, you want to just use the shampoo. Or I might just use this one right here. Y'all seen me use this this brand before. Really love this shampoo. I got 2 or 3 bottles of it. This is actually the one I use when I'm in the shower. That's why it looks a little different. It's not green, but yeah, I might use this one because I really like the rosemary mint. It gives you that good tingling on the scalp, and that's what we need when we're trying to, you know, get all that build up off of our scalp. So I'm probably gonna use this one. You're gonna need that. You're gonna need an oil of your choice. I'm gonna use the Cornrows Daughter. My bad. Hey, sorry. 7 blend. Love this stuff. This oil. So you're gonna need a spray bottle. Just to wet your hair, of course, and a big towel. I ain't even gonna show y'all all that. We already know that. And then you're gonna need something to seal it over with and make it all look new and lay those hairs down. It's gonna be some type of foam, man. And also a do-rag. So let's get straight into first wash. I'm about to wash this out and then we're gonna repeat that process again. Let's do it. All right, YouTube, so we done finished up the wash. Now we're gonna pat dry, just like that. When you get to the ends, right here, make sure those are full dry too. I don't got much length, so I can't do it. Okay, if your hair is longer, you know. Make sure you get inside the parts. As our next step, we'll be putting in our oil. All right, so now we're gonna take our oil and part our head with the oil. Put it in the parts. Fingers like this, put up in there. After you done did that, put your fingers through each part and you have your oil distributed all throughout your head. Take your mousse, shake him up. Get your do-rag ready, because as soon as you lay this down, you want to instantly put your do-rag on. put the little mousse stuff on, and it lays it down. So basically, you're just doing that process over again. That's it. Of course, your braids ain't gonna look brand spanking new because they old. I done had these for almost 4 weeks, so sometimes when you want to, maybe you about to go out with your woman or something, you want them to look decent, you do this. All right, after this, you'll put the heat. So let it blow dry, or go hop in the shower, go do something, just let it dry. And then you come back and unrag, let it see. All right, YouTube, I am back, and I'm gonna unrag for y'all, man. Let y'all see what it's looking like, man. This is what it's looking like. Let's see. Oh yeah, hairs is laid down. Oh yeah, I like it. It ain't bad. It ain't bad. It ain't bad. Especially when I know that this is 4 weeks of hair growth. It's definitely laid back down. If I wanted to do anything, I could tap this line maybe, but we ain't even doing that. Remember I had a video on how you normally get your stuff pushed back. So don't do that. But yeah, we looking good, man. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. Y'all leave a comment below what y'all think, how it looks. Like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. Salute.